what causes friction in engine. That's what I'm going to treat in this video. I'll mention 4 things that causes friction in your engine. The first one is low quality oil. Low quality oil causes friction engine. And the second one is when there's foreign particle in your oil, it causes friction in your engine. And the third one is poor maintenance, and the fourth one is low quality coolant. These are the 4 things that causes friction in your engine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the subscription button now. Then let's go down to the details. In internal combustion engine, there's so many components that runs together. While some are rotating, some are stationary. They are not rotating. For all of those machines, all those components to run together, there's some little friction that must take place. Yes, but there are harmless and harmful friction in engine. In this video, I want to talk about what causes harmful or friction in engine. The first one, as I mentioned, is low quality oil. When you buy a low quality oil, when the engine runs for some time, the viscosity of the oil drops, and that increases friction in your engine, which causes engine wear. That is number 1. That is why you need to avoid low quality oil. Number 2 is when there is foreign particles in engine. What do I mean by this? I'm talking about dust or other dirty that comes in through your intakes or through your manifold, especially when you run your engine in a dusty environment. There are so many particles. These particles get into your engine oil is going to cause friction, because it can get to it will mix with your engine oil, and that will increase the friction in your engine oil. What is number 3? Number 3 is poor maintenance. You must maintain your engine. I say it again, you must have a maintenance culture. You must know when to replace bearing. For example, if bearing is not replaced as when needed, it's going to cause friction between the bearing. I'm talking about crankshaft bearing and the crankshaft itself. So you must know when to replace bearing. So you must have maintenance culture. You must know when to replace to drain out the oil and fill another oil. For you to know this, you can Google, you can browse for your engine when for you to do this. The service provider or the owner's manual can also be of benefit for you to know when you need to service your engine. If you can do this, then it's going to reduce the level of friction right in your engine. Then my last and important one is quality coolant. The coolant play a lot of role for you to reduce friction in your engine. Are you surprised? In coolant, there are some additives that helps to reduce friction in your water pumps and other components. And another thing you need to be aware is that when you have poor quality coolant, it increases the level of temperature of your engine. And when temperature of your engine is too high, what happens? Friction also increases. So for you to drop the level of your friction, you need a quality coolant. There are so many areas you can buy a quality coolant, which I'm going to discuss in another video. So these are the 4 reasons that can help your engine to avoid friction. The first one, don't forget, buy quality engine oil. And the second one is that avoid particles. If you run your engine in a dusty environment, ensure you drain out the oil and change the oil so that you don't have particles running in your engine, because it's going to cause friction. And have a good maintenance culture. Know when to replace your engine oil, know when to replace your oil filter and other serviceable or replaceable item in your engine. And number 4, use good coolant. These are the 4 reasons on which can help to reduce engine friction. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's Mr. Engine. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Thank you.